Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just found something. So we had a really bad windstorm that came through here, and thankfully not much of my plants, my garden got knocked down. Some of it did, and I've repaired it. So we're hoping for the best. But look at this. This got blown out of the tree. So it's a piece of a bee's hive. Look at that. Look at the decor on it. Do you guys see that? It's amazing. It's like paper. I think I might keep it. It reminds me of the turkey tail mushroom, the way the coloring is on it. I think it's really unique. I don't know whether that means that this is an old layer of the bee's hive. Obviously, it's in this tree here. I've never seen a piece this big before, so I have seen a couple pieces since we had the windstorm, but nothing this big and so beautiful. So I'm not sure. I might put that in something or keep it in some manner. Oh, look it! You guys, it's a piece of a honeycomb. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm so glad I was recording for this. So there must be a massive beehive somewhere in this beautiful tree. Somewhere way up there because, yeah, I can't believe that. That is so amazing. It's part of a honeycomb. You guys, it's dry though. It's empty. I wonder if something pulled down one of their, look at the back of it. Isn't that beautiful? It's like they think about that. The bees make this, right? Look at their accuracy. Look at their accuracy on a honeycomb. Huh. And we get our honey out of each one of these little pockets. You know, they just harvest and harvest. It's a beautiful thing. It's a very beautiful thing. And I'm so glad I could share it with you guys. So today I am, oh look, there's more. There's more pieces of it. Huh. Look at, there's another piece of it. This looks like it's off the top. That's so pretty. You guys, maybe I'm nuts, but I think that is absolutely beautiful. And it shows how intricate and talented everything around us is. Even the insects, like, yep, be grateful. So I wasn't able to go for my harvesting trip. And this is one of my year 1 mulleins that I have on the property. I have a few of them that I'm going to harvest. I did let a friend harvest the mullein because I was going to go up country to harvest. Now I still have probably, I don't know, I have enough to last me another season of mullein from my last harvest. But it's always, you know, you don't know, especially in BC after we had those roads wash out. You don't know if the roads are going to be open or closed, or if you're going to be able to get to these areas, or if when you get there, they're all developed, right? Anyway, so I'm doing canning today. I've already canned up, I think 15 jars this morning between the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So I got that done, and now we just got in, I think 100 pounds of potatoes. So I am washing out these buckets so I can scrub up all the potatoes and put them in cold water overnight, rinsing them once or twice, and get ready to can them tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, the day after, because I am so busy. And then this is just, you know, dropped in your lap. When a friend says, hey, do you want a couple 100 pounds of potatoes? You know, you try to say, yeah. Sure I do. So I will have ample amounts of French fries on my shelf this year because they are nice, big potatoes. Looks like my hummingbird feeder is empty again, so I have to fill that. And I've got these black bees, these black and white bees. Especially when the hummingbird feeders go empty, they really go all over it. So I have to figure that out. I'm not sure why. I've never had that problem before. And the kale is getting harvested today and going on the dehydrator. I finally have some room as everything else is kind of slowing down on production right now. I just harvested the tomatoes, like I said, because I just canned them. And yeah, there'll be more. There's so many more, you know. It's amazing how many have turned just since I've gone inside to do some canning and come back out. Kind of amazing. And what else? See, my calendula is coming along nicely. That's the one that I just planted there. I have been picking romas and canning them. Oh, and this pepper over here. Do you guys remember I said I didn't know what it was? It's called a purple beauty. So these turn a deep purple. So they're they're called a purple beauty. So I'm really excited about seeing that come to fruition. And this tomato is just putting out a ton of fruit. We are having a little bit of problems right now with our water consumption. So I am doing a lot more hand watering right now. The acorn squash, I just pulled this out of the bush because it was in here. Do you see that? There's another one right there, and then there's another one right there and right there. So my biggest harvest is definitely the acorn squash this year. Yeah. And my family's asked for zucchini boats tonight, so I'll make up extra ones because I have another zucchini. Not a single red tomato off this yet, but it's got a bountiful harvest. Now that I got it standing up, and I added a screen in there for the tomatoes to kind of climb up. And sage, I just made some smudges. I will be making more of them. A little bit differently than how I showed in my last video. Hopefully I posted it by now. I will be doing them slightly different for the next ones. And my celery is not quite ready to harvest the seeds off of. So I'm holding off on that. Oh, and that big, huge onion that was here, you guys, I harvested it and forgot to film it. It was like Fred Flintstone stuff. It was the biggest green onion I've ever seen in my life. And I am collecting a lot of the seeds. So hopefully, once I get my channel up and running, I will be able to share the seeds with you guys because they were amazing. And you know that I'm always harvesting seeds off something. So hopefully I will be able to share with everybody, and we can all have this stuff up and growing all around us. Yeah, there when we need it. So I came out here and I didn't realize my acorn squash had gotten so long, and I stepped on that little guy, but he's all right. He's like, that's okay, step on me. So yeah, oh, there's another big one in there I gotta pick. My Mad Hatters are going crazy and I'm loving it. The geranium, I'm going to top this one and hope that they get bigger, because normally they're a lot bigger than that. And what else? That's it. I'm going to go wash buckets, and then I'm going to start canning potatoes. So I probably will see you guys when I'm doing that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.